We are the proposition team. She's the second speaker, Lorena Allende. She's the third speaker, Jasna Mora, and the fourth speaker or the conclusioner, Guatemala. I am Benjamin Salvo, the first speaker. So, first let's define the word cloning, genetic cloning. The genetic cloning is the creation of a genetically identical copy to the cloned organisms. We can clone humans, animals, and vegetables. This last one right now has a very common use in the world. The animal cloning was tested with Dolly, the sheep, and the human cloning provoked controversy that, from our point of view, is unnecessary. But why is it unnecessary? It's basic. If we talk about cloning, we have to focus on scientific objectives. The science is the most objective thing in the world. Everybody knows that. And instead, the religion, the moral, and the ethic are the most subjective and changing things in the universe. Nobody knows God exists or not. So, for that reason, there must not be objection in what we are going to talk about. Because the science or the scientific things can be proved and they are accurate. Well, some persons and organizations accuse cloning as to a non-natural method. Let me say that they and everyone here use non-natural things. Examples, the food, the chairs, the tables, the microphone. So, for that reason we have to feel bad? Of course not. Another thing, people talk about we don't know what will happen with the human cloning, blah, 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 blah. Right here I have a list with amazing things today that in their times, well, they were against moral or considered evil. First, the feminist suffrage legalized in Chile in 1935. At that time, there people against to the feminist suffrage. Today, they are probably lynched, like closing minds. Other thing is the cesarean, but because of everything mentioned, we strongly believe that the genetic cloning is good, and in the future, if the genetic cloning is legalized, the benefits will be huge and the problems will be zero. Thanks.
Thank you, first speaker of the opposition team. And before the first speaker from the opposition team speaks, I would like to introduce the judges for today. Ricardo Cornejo, he is the head of the English teaching degree at Universidad Mayor. Sepúlveda and Genaro Laurel from, they are also from Universidad Playa Ancha, and they are former scholarship winners, and they studied a semester abroad with the scholarship that the English Opens Doors gives to future English students.